America is about to witness an AI earthquake, and right in the middle of it, Elon Musk. Now listen closely. Musk just announced a deal so shocking, so bizarre, it almost feels unreal. 42 cents. Not $42, not 42 cents. At first you laugh, you think it's a joke. But no, this is a calculated strike. A direct hit aimed straight at GPT, OpenAI, and the entire AI industry in America. Here's where it gets wild. That number 42 isn't random. It's Musk's secret code. His way of signaling that Grok isn't just another AI, it's a movement. So the question is, can Grok actually shake GPT's throne? Or is this just another Musk stunt? Flashy, loud, and destined to fail. Stay with me, because what I'm about to reveal might just flip the future of AI in America. But here's where it gets even crazier. The 42-cent deal isn't just about money. See, Musk knows something the rest of the world doesn't. 42 has always been his secret code. From SpaceX launches to Tesla Easter eggs, this number follows him everywhere. And now it's stamped right onto his AI empire. But why? Because Grok isn't some side project. It's Musk's power play, his direct answer to GPT. And this symbolic price, it's his way of telling the world, I'm in this war and I'm here to stay. Think about it. While OpenAI pushes GPT into every corner of America, Musk quietly slides Grok into X, his social platform. One update at a time, one integration at a time, until suddenly, Grok is everywhere. So this deal, it's not pocket change. It's the opening shot in a battle that could redefine America's AI future. But here's the real battle line: Grok versus GPT. On one side, got GPT, the household name. The AI everyone in America already uses, from students writing essays to professionals building businesses. GPT is fast, polished, and everywhere. It's the standard, the safe choice, the one people trust. But on the other side, Musk's Grok, a rebel, a challenger built with attitude. While GPT plays by the rules, Grok breaks them. Musk himself has called it more edgy, raw, and brutally honest. And that's exactly what makes it so dangerous. Because in an AI race, people don't just want smart. They want real. They want bold. They want answers no one else dares to give. And that's Grok's game. Now imagine this clash. GPT, backed by Microsoft and OpenAI versus Grok, fueled by Musk's billion-dollar vision and his control of X. Two giants, two philosophies, colliding in America's AI future. And trust me, this fight is just beginning. And this is where it gets personal, because the clash between Grok and GPT isn't just about tech companies. It's about America itself. Think about it. Every major shift in AI changes how we work, how we learn, even how we live. GPT has already slipped into classrooms, offices, hospitals, quietly shaping daily life. It writes code, drafts reports, powers chatbots. It's everywhere, almost invisible yet unavoidable. But Grok is different. By living inside X, Musk's massive social platform, it doesn't just assist. It reacts, it comments, it jokes, it stirs controversy. It feels alive in a way GPT was never designed to. And here's why Americans care. Because whichever AI wins this war will control the voice of the internet. One path looks polished, safe, corporate. The other feels raw, unpredictable, human. So the question isn't just who builds the smarter AI. The real question is, who defines the future conversation of America? Because once that voice takes over, there's no turning back. And here's where the game gets explosive, because Grok isn't just an experiment, it's a strategy. Musk knows that AI isn't only about intelligence, it's about influence. And Grok's influence is designed to be everywhere, in education, in social media, in coding, in marketing, even in political debates. Imagine this: a student using Grok to craft essays, a creator using it to write scripts, a marketer using it to draft bold campaigns, all for 42 cents. Compare that to GPT, safe, polished, enterprise-ready. Perfect for corporate offices, universities, and government projects. Reliable, predictable, controlled. Now picture the collision. Grok infiltrates the creative spaces where GPT never dared to dominate. Social media conversations, meme culture, influencer communities. Suddenly, Musk's AI is not just a tool, it's a voice, a movement, a force shaping opinion and culture. And here's the twist. If mass adoption continues, Grok could control more human attention than GPT in key spaces. That's not hype, that's strategy, because Musk isn't just building an AI. He's building the map of influence in America, and Grok is his vehicle. But not everyone is cheering because bold moves bring big risks. Critics warn that Grok's unfiltered style could backfire. Raw, uncensored AI may generate misinformation. It could spark debates, legal challenges, even political headaches. Meanwhile, regulators in Washington are watching. Every tweet, every integration scrutinized. And OpenAI, they're not sitting quietly either. GPT represents safety, compliance, and authority. Grok's rise threatens their influence. Here's the real tension. America loves innovation, but fears chaos. Grok promises excitement and accessibility, yet also unpredictability. It's a double-edged sword. And that's the thrill. The stakes aren't just corporate, they're societal. Every user, every interaction, every bold response from Grok is part of a bigger story. So as Musk pushes boundaries, the question looms, can Grok handle the heat, or will this experiment ignite a firestorm America isn't ready for? And now the final question looms over America's AI battlefield. What happens next? Will Grok rise and reshape conversations, culture, and influence, or will GPT hold its empire, polished and unchallenged? Here's the kicker. Musk's 42-cent strategy isn't just pricing, it's a statement. Accessibility, boldness, and a little chaos all rolled into one move. And America is watching, analyzing, reacting. Every creator, every student, every tech enthusiast is now part of this unfolding experiment. The AI war has moved from labs into daily life, and the winner won't just control technology. They'll control attention, trends, and ultimately influence. So the choice is clear. Watch history quietly or pay attention to the movement that's daring to challenge the status quo. Because this is more than AI. This is America's power shift, and the story is only just beginning.